We can install the Kali Linux distribution with the ISO, or we can install it with the already installed virtual machine imager. These imagers are designed to be used by various VMware and Oracle VirtualBox virtualization programs, both 32-bit and 64-bit. Open your favorite web browser. Type Kali Linux in the search engine. Enter the download page. Click on Virtual Machines option. On this page, there are virtual computer image files ready for VMware and VirtualBox. Click on Kali Linuxware images. This process will take time depending on your internet speed. Add Kali Images VMware Player program. Click on the image file we downloaded earlier. Image file is downloaded with 7's extension. Extract the compressed file by right-clicking on it. You can use the extracted file either in the folder where it is located or by copying it into another folder. My recommendation would be to collect all virtual computers under a single folder. I use a folder called VMS on my computer, and I create all my virtual computers here. You can right-click on the image file and copy or move it with one of the copy or move options. Now let's add our virtual computer to the VMware Player menu. Open the VMware Player program. Click on the image file. You will see that the virtual computer has been added to the VMware Player menu. Start the virtual computer by clicking Start. The opening screen comes up. The username and password information is written in the description section of the virtual computer. Enter username, Kali, and password Kali, and the virtual computer is ready to be used.